Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Mountain. Lake Park local and long-distance movers. Near me. Are you thinking of moving abroad or to another state? Have you planned on how you will transport all your belongings? Leave it on 3 Movers. We will ensure that all your possessions are shifted carefully to your new home. Our company has been taking care of the customer's needs for 20 years in Mountain Lake Park. Whether you are moving commercially or personally, we will assist in every possible way. Our team will take care of all your valuable items and ensure that everything reaches your new place without getting damaged. Looking for a local packer and mover who can help transport all your stuff to the nearby place? Feel free to contact 3 Movers in Mountain Lake Park. We make sure that our clients don't have to worry about their things. Our licensed team will complete the work within a day, and you will be all set to relax at your new place in no time. You might be thinking hiring movers and packers might be unnecessary until you hire one and see how much time and effort you save. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Mountain Lake Park moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.